got a large wedge tornado approaching town right now. That's the town. It's in the direct path of the tornado. And we're just to the south of town. The tornado's coming straight at us. Is it moving left to right? Like, is it going to the right? I have it opened up. We're doing it. It's gonna hit this town. It's literally going for the town. Gosh.
Alright.
It's gonna go straight in this town. Slow down. Let's get a bearing here.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Go around the window.
Where is it?
You can hear it. Hear it? Hear it? Hear the roar?
Slow down.
Power flash right there. Just saw a
Where
power
is it?
flash.
It's crossing right in front of us. Violent
It
tornado.
might be expanding, so.
Get your hazard.
Get my hazards on.
Yeah, there you go. They're on.
It's really good.
This is bad.
Rain. RSD. Oh no, it's pretty dangerous right here.
This is very strong wind.
Very strong.
Holy.
Might be expanding. It's huge.
It's a huge tornado.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going through the town now.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front of us.
Okay, power flash.
It's going.
is in the
It's in
town.
front of us.
Oh, gosh.
Oh no. It's going straight through the town. It's I don't know, a piece of metal or something. Okay. Oh yeah, we got damage here now. This is where the tornado came through.
Power's down.
Yeah, buildings.
House, tree down.
Significant damage. Yeah. Oh man.
Trees down.
Oh man. Oh, we got bad.
Man, it's got hit
Oh, we got bad damage here. Got houses messed up.
roof off the house on the
It's
left.
off the house on the left. All right, we're gonna have to go search and rescue now.